Oh yeah, yeah. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Knoxkill. Again, Chris here in the house. Today I have you the Edifier XM2PF speaker, the best gaming speaker with bombastic deep bass that can give you a realistic, impressive sound. With USB flash disk, and SD card playback, and with FM radio function. Now let's see what we have inside the box. First, we have the two satellite speakers and the subwoofer. And we have the green audio cable, user manual, and with remote control. The beauty of this speaker, on the left side of subwoofer, it has a manual controller like the bass, volume, FM radio, and many more. Let's check it out. Let's pause. Before we continue, please like, share, and give some love by subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to click the bell to get notifications for new videos. By the way guys, I bought this speaker in SHOPPE for only 1,790. The speaker cover is also removable. My old speaker is creative. It has a good sound as well. But this one is much better. I really recommend this Edifier speaker brand for having a good bass. The sound quality from 1 up to 10, I will give a 9.5 rating score. To those who want to check this one, I will put the link below. This is also available in a LAZADA online store. It has 4-inch bass and 2 3/4-inch mid-range and treble driver. Integrated side control panel, makes system adjustable, easy and convenient. 6 buttons for audio source selection. With IR remote control to select source directly. And also we have the manual guide. Showing you the dimensions of the speakers. Like what I've said a while ago, it has 4-inch bass and 2 3/4-inch mid-range and treble driver. Subwoofer air vent tube. And with the 4 built-in stand fit. Here's how to attach the wiring. This black is the power cable, while the green is the auxiliary audio cable, wherein you are going to connect into your computer audio, laptop, tablet, and into your smartphone as well. On the left and right speaker, simply and easy, just follow the color coding. And red and white male AB RCA cable. Here is the red RCA male connector and also the white RCA male connector. Just simply insert it in the same color. Now let's zoom and check one by one. We have here the red RCA female connector together with the white RCA for speaker out. And this is the bass volume control. Also with SD card driver. Beside the USB port. Next is the auxiliary audio port. The power on and off button. And this is the power cable. This plus and negative sign is the sound volume control as well. And the other buttons are for audio selection, previews, next track, play and pause. Again, let's connect the red. White RCA connector. And the green auxiliary audio cable. Now let's power it on. The green light indicates that the power is on, meaning we can start now the music testing. Let's begin the party. Now let's hear my remix Paparam Pam Pam. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Spread some love by sharing and subscribing to this channel. Hope this video helped and give you some good information. If you have any question, let me know down below. So see you soon. Stay healthy, everyone, and God bless.
Oh yeah. Next skill.